Hello and welcome to my very first unboxing video of the Honor X9a smartphone. In this video, I will giving you a quick overview of what comes inside the box and my first impression of the device. Opening up the box, the first thing we see is the phone itself. The Honor X9a has a sleek and modern design with a large 6.7-inch Full HD display that takes up the most of the front of the device. Underneath the phone, we have the accessory box, which contains the usual suspects: a charging cable, a SIM ejector tool, headphones, and a phone cover, and also a user manual. The charging cable is a standard USB-C cable, and the adapter supports fast charging, which is a great feature to have. Taking a closer look at the phone, we can see that it has a glass back with a matte finish and a quad camera setup on the back, which is quite impressive. The fingerprint scanner is also located on the front, which is convenient placement for unlocking the device. As for the software, the Honor X9a runs on Android 12. The interface looks clean and snappy, and there are a few pre-installed apps that comes with the phone. Overall, my first impression of the Honor X9a are positive. The phone looks great and feels solid in the hand, and it feels so premium, no doubt. I'm excited to see how it performs in real world uses, and will be sharing my thoughts on that in a future video.